Life cycle of ameloblast part 2. So third is the formative stage. Now this stage is characterized by the law of organogenesis and histodifferentiation. Now in this stage the specialized enamel forming cell, that is the ameloblast, begins secreting proteins, that is the enamel matrix protein, onto the newly formed dentine, starting the enamel formation. Fourth is the maturative stage. Now in this stage the enamel maturation and full mineralization occurs mostly at the incisal and occlusal areas. In cervical areas it is still progressing. The ameloblast is slightly reduced in length and the cells of stratum intermedium lose their cuboidal shape and are converted to spindle shape. Microvilli are seen at the distal extremities and cytoplasmic vacuole containing material that is similar to enamel matrix is also seen. Fifth is the protective stage. Now in this stage the enamel has completely developed and fully calcified. The ameloblast can no longer differentiate from the cells of stratum intermedium and outer enamel epithelium, so they form a stratified epithelial covering, that is the reduced enamel epithelium. Now the function of this epithelium is to separate the mature enamel from the connective tissue, because if the connective tissue comes in contact with the enamel before the tooth erupts, then anomalies may develop. Last is the desmolytic stage. Now in this stage the reduced enamel epithelium proliferates and leads to the atrophy of the connective tissue, separating the connective tissue from the oral epithelium. But if there is premature degeneration of reduced enamel epithelium, then the tooth may fail to erupt. If you like such videos, then do follow my page.